Hi viewers, welcome to my video. I'm Hopmay and I'm a licensed commercial drone solutions provider and a real estate salesperson. In this video, I'm going to showcase you an aerial drone preview of the recently concluded Dunearn Road GLS tender exercise, which was successfully been stepped up by a joint developer bid comprising of Wing Tai Holdings and Metro Holdings for $533 million or $1,625 PSF per PPR. This GLS plot area on the Dunearn Road GLS site has an estimated site area of 204,962 square feet and can do estimated 330 housing units and around 15,069 square feet of commercial space. Just now is for the upcoming Dunearn House property site, which is set to be launched in the second half of 2026. Viewers might recall that the consortium comprising of Fraser Properties, Inclusive House and CSC has successfully pitched this 99-year site for $491.45 million or $1,410 PSF per PPR. The 99-year leasehold site measures 145,173 square feet and can be developed into a 380 housing unit development. At this drone height, you can see pictures of Bukit Timah Landed Estate and nearby eateries. The 6th Avenue MRT station on the downtown line is located one stop away. Check out the Third City MRT station, which is set to launch in the early 2030s. Future homeowners and investors are keenly anticipating this potential plus factor if they are looking for properties to invest in this area. As we approach the end of the video, if you have any further questions about the development or simply want to engage a registered commercial drone solutions provider for your next project, do get in touch with me. My contacts are shown next. Also, do remember to click the like and subscribe button for this channel for upcoming drone preview videos of GLS sites. Thank you and see you soon.